Alright, good morning. We're in Baytown, Texas, getting ready to take off here. Got about 45 minutes or so to get to where we gotta be to make our first stop. We're going to try to deliver 4 of these today. It's going to be a busy day. So hopefully we can get it done. Get out of Houston before the Super Bowl starts. So just waiting on traffic. Alright, let's go. Let's get the day started.
Keep right to I-10, then exit left.
Alright, we got the first stop off of 4 for today. Very tight squeeze. It actually went a lot easier than I thought it was going to be. I always plan for the worst and hope for the best, but I really thought it was going to be a lot worse. So anyway, we are on to stop number 2. Got about 30-45 minutes to go. Talk to you guys in a bit. This is the second place I've been to now. I'm parked in the road. They don't have any parking. You can see the cars buzzing by. And I'm supposed to get out and untarp this shit. Unbelievable. I ain't never doing these things again. Never. Alright, we got stop 2 off. And now we're going over to number 3. We've got about another 30-45 minutes before we get over there. Stop 2 was crazy. It was on a 4-lane road, no shoulder. I thought for sure I was going to get hit or somebody was going to hit the truck. Crazy. Alright, anyway, we're almost done. Get this crap off my truck. Talk to you in a bit. Stop off. We're going to the last one. Take a little over an hour to get there. It's now 12:30. So this nightmare is almost over with. So, alright, talk to you guys in a bit. Alright, we got the last one off. And now we're going to head down to the...
3/4 of a mile. Turn right on East WMJ Bryan Parkway.
Alright, we got the last one off. It's over with. I know not to do those anymore. And we're going down to the truck stop about 90 miles away. We don't load until Wednesday out of Corpus Christi. So we'll just hang out on not Wednesday. We don't load till Saturday until out of Corpus Christi. So we're just gonna go hang out I'm gonna give me a shower, maybe do some laundry. So that's what we're doing. So we're out of here.